Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the Learn at Home session. This is Srihari sir, and in this video, we are going to get information about India after 1960. Means, in this video lecture, we are going to get information about the India events after 1960. We all know that India got independence in the year of 1947. 15th August 1947 is the Independence Day of our country. But my dear student, after the independence, our government not directly started to rule our nation because the constitution was in the progress. Indian government accepted the constitution on 26th of November 1949 and it was implemented on 26th of January 1950. So 26th November is the Constitution Day and 26th January is the Republicans Day of our country. My dear student, and after 1950, when our government implemented the Constitution, after that we started the administration of our country and proper elections were held there. And first 5-year plan was also implemented in the year of 1951. It means that after 1950 the proper administration was started, but this was not enough for our country. Why? Because there were several challenges in front of our country. That India was a newly independent country on that time, and there was not a proper functioning of the government in our country. So, the problem of the princely state was also big. How to handle this different princely state? Because after the independence, there were more than 500 princely states were exist in our country. So, you can imagine that how worst and critical task was that to unite them in one nation. After accepting the constitution, India accepted the principle of secularism. Why? Because of the huge diversity exists in our country. So, diversity on what basis? Diversity was found on the basis of caste, custom, gender, religion, language, etc. And there was a big problem of the unemployed people also. Unemployment, then poverty, illiteracy. These were many and more challenges in front of the Indian government. My dear student, 1960s decade was the most important decade for the India because many important issues took place in this decade. The regions of Goa, Diu and Daman were freed from the Portuguese rule. Portuguese rule on this region, Goa. You know that Portuguese were the first rulers who came in India, and Portuguese were the last ruler who went after the Britishers from our country. Means first and last were the Portuguese. So Portuguese rule was finished and Goa, Diu and Daman were freed from their rule, and these regions were newly independent. Then there was a question how to involve these regions in our Indian Federation. So this was also the big challenge in front of Indian government. Again, you can observe that in the year of 1962, what happened? Our neighboring country was not treating properly with our nation, and the tension between India and China rose after 1950. 1950 के बाद भारत और चाइना के बीच में का जो रिलेशन है वो बिगड़ता ही चला गया और चाइना ने सडनली इंडिया के ऊपर अटैक कर दिया. सो दिस वॉज ऑल्सो द मीन्स शॉकिंग experience to our government. Again, in this decade, what happened? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the Prime Minister of our country on that time. But do you know Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was passed away in the year of 1964. From the independence, आज़ादी के बाद तुरंत Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of our country, but he passed away in 1964. That's why there was a big question and big problem, then who will become the Prime Minister. After the Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri succeeded him and he became the Prime Minister of our country in year of 1964. माय डियर स्टूडेंट, पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू सबसे ज्यादा कार्यकाल निभाने वाले प्राइम मिनिस्टर रहे हैं इंडिया के. दिस इज द नोटवर्दी पॉइंट, कीप इन योर माइंड. अब हम लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. लाल बहादुर शास्त्री ही became the prime minister after the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and in the period of Lal Bahadur Shastri, the issue of Kashmir rose. कश्मीर का मुद्दा जो था वो अब भड़क गया, एंड देयर वॉज अ वॉर बिटवीन इंडिया एंड पाकिस्तान. ड्यूरिंग द वॉर, रशिया ट्राइड टू negotiate between India and Pakistan, but again one shock got to our Indian government in the year of 1966. 1964 में जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी की मृत्यु के बाद लाल बहादुर शास्त्री became the prime minister, and after 2 years only Lal Bahadur Shastri passed away at the place of Tashkent in Russia. Russia took initiative to stop the war between India and Pakistan. That's why the treaty, Tashkent Treaty, was going to sign at the place of Russia. But there, secretly, or what can we say, that there is not the proper reason to us, Lal Bahadur Shastri was passed away. Then, after the Lal Bahadur Shastri, Srimati Indira Gandhi became the Prime Minister of our country. What can we say about Indira Gandhi? She was the first women Prime Minister of our country. She was also known as the Iron Lady also, isn't that? Because of her immediate decision making ability and because of her courage also. My dear student, Indira Gandhi became the Prime Minister in the year of 1966, and the issue of India and Pakistan was also not solved completely. Pakistan's aggressive policies in the eastern Pakistan. Look that India got independence on that time. Pakistan became the independent nation, but it was divided into two nations, that eastern Pakistan and western Pakistan. So in the eastern side there is now Bangladesh, but before that was the eastern Pakistan, and in that region Pakistan's aggressive policies were disturbing India. And that's why there was a big crisis in front of Indian government to handle the economical condition of the nation, to handle the unemployment of the nation, to handle the refugees problem. Refugees problem was the most important problem on that time, because many people were migrating from Pakistan to India. My dear student, so these all the important changes were to place in the decade of 1960s. So I hope you all understood the important events which were occurred in the period of 1960. So आज के वीडियो के लिए बस इतना ही. Remaining points we will cover in the next video. Thank you.